Hello and welcome to Inside Mortgages this week for Monday, August the 20th. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm sorry I haven't put a couple episodes up in the past few weeks, but I'm back here with you now. It's been a great summer. The sun is still shining. It was a great weekend. Lots of things going on in Ottawa. Now just a quick update on rates. Last week we saw a slight raise from 2.99 for fixed 5 years on our A lenders. We're at around 3.09 right now. And we're still seeing very attractive rates of 3.89 for a 10-year rate. Of course, after 5 years, if you do switch your mortgage or you do pay it off, the penalty being only 3 months of interest. So that's an excellent choice. So I'm going to get right back into it right now. Adrienne Warren, a Bank of Nova Scotia economist, expects Canada to, when the census comes out in September, we're expected to be at around 70% home ownership. Now, Canada's never seen statistics like that. It has been seen in the States right around 2006 before the big housing crash. The States are at around 66% home ownership. Just to put that in perspective, around the world, there are a couple countries, Italy and Spain, where you're seeing home ownership at 80%, but you're seeing countries where prices for homes are a little more expensive, like Switzerland, at around 30%. So that is getting rather high. That's why we are seeing tightening in mortgage rules from Jim Flaherty as well as OSFI in the last few months. So that is just some information like that. The Canadian Real Estate Association just released data for July where they saw that home prices for the average Canadian went down. It actually slipped about 2%. to an average of $353,000. Now the major changes were seen in Vancouver, so not really in Ottawa. Ottawa is still more of a buyer's market. There are a lot of homes for sale. Homes are going very fast in Stittsville, but there are a lot of homes still available in suburbs like Orleans. Benjamin Tao, Deputy Chief Economist at the CIBC World Markets, says we are at the peak of home ownership, so in around that 70%, and it will probably go down. So that's going with the 70% home ownership. Inflation rate fell unexpectedly in July, being pulled a little lower at around 1.3% from a year ago. So that's a softer than expected statistic, which means that the Bank of Canada has some more time to keep inflation or interest rates lower, because they do still want to continue spurring the economy. They want to continue creating jobs, so then we can start seeing the inflation at around the 2% goal that they do have. CMHC came out with some forecasting predictions recently. Canada will see 207,200 housing starts in 2012. They are speculating that there will be a slight decrease next year. We're only expected to have 193,000 housing starts in the next year. Now, a funny statistic I see that they put out, we're seeing an average price of $368,000 for the average price of a home in Canada, which is not very in line with what the Canadian Real Estate Association said, with $353,000 average. Anyways, the CMHC sees a prediction of an average home price in Ottawa, or in Canada, at $377,300. So that being said, they're finding a balanced market in all of Canada, whereas in Ottawa we're seeing more of a buyer's market as of recently. Thank you very much for joining me then today. I hope this was some good quick news for you based on the mortgage industry in Canada and specifically in Ottawa. And of course, send me an email, give me a call. I will respond to you within a couple minutes. And other than that, enjoy the rest of your summer and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.